Hey kids, let's learn some fun facts about aeroplanes you did not know. The wings of the aeroplane are just one component of flight. There are actually 4 forces of flight that push the plane up, down, forward, or slow it down. These 4 forces of flight are lift, thrust, drag, and weight. The Wright brothers invented and flew the first aeroplane in 1903. The oxygen in an aeroplane's emergency oxygen masks lasts for only about 15 minutes. English is the international language of flight. All flight controllers and all commercial pilots who fly on international flights are required to speak English. About 1 in 5 people have some fear of flying or aviophobia. According to popular mechanics, sitting in the tail of an airplane improves chances of accident survival by 40%. Pilots usually control the plane from a cockpit located at the front of the fuselage. In 1987, American Airlines saved $40,000 by removing 1 olive from each salad served. A pilot must have 20/20th vision, with or without corrective lenses, to become a civilian airline pilot. Aircraft radar cannot detect turbulence. Turbulence can occur in clear, cloudless weather as well as in bad weather. It is the #1 cause of in-flight injuries. In 1986, a plane called Voyager flew all the way around the world without landing or refueling. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.